You say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place. Wait, there's no time, no space. I could be your private island.
What's up, you guys? It's Martisssa, and I'm here to do. If you can hear my brother in the background, I'm sorry. But getting ready to do some Halloween looks. So, I mean, like, bear with me because they're not the best, but girl, I'm trying. This is supposed to be like a cosmic fairy kind of look. So, like, little girly fairy, but like also like cosmic. And I'm sorry, like, I don't have the full-on outfit or anything. But, I mean, that's your guys' choice. Do whatever you want. Put some little wings on it. Galaxy theme, you know what I'm saying. If you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'm excited. So I'm taking my concealer and I'm putting that on my eyes as a base, and I'm blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. And for this look, the whole look, I'm using the Morphe, I don't know what it is. I'll leave everything listed down below. I'm not too sure. It's the Morphe B something. I don't know. But I'm putting tape under my eyes. For future reference, when you put tape on your eyes, make sure it's not too sticky under your eyes. Because you'll see, like, it hurts. I usually, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So I'm just taking that pink shade and I'm putting it in the outer corner, and I'm gonna blend it outwards so it has like a wing effect and up into my crease. Then I'm taking this purple shade. I think I mixed two purples together for the outer corners. So I'm just taking those and I'm blending them in the outer corners and winging them out into the pink as well. Then I'm taking this light blue shade and I am putting it in the inner corner and blending it up into the pink shade in my crease. And we just blend in, and I know I took more pink so they would blend a little bit better, and I took more pink and put it on the outer corners. And then I'm gonna take this purple eyeliner, and I filled in my eyebrows before the video started, so I just put some black before and then I put some purple in the fronts of my eyebrows. And now I'm taking my NYX glue and glitter, and I'm just putting like a single line down the center of each eye. Nothing too drastic. I didn't want to cover up like the blues because this is like a purple blue shimmer thing. And I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows, you know, the usual. And I'm taking this white eyeliner and making weird dots. I don't know why. I don't know what the point of this is, but I thought it was gonna be cute. Wasn't that cute? And I'm taking my eyeliner by NYX. Oh my gosh, my friend showed me this. Thank you. Shout out to Brenda. But it works so good. And I'm just winging it out. The tape is basically a guideline because I haven't taken it off yet, so that helps a lot. And now I'm gonna like rip my whole eyes off. It's fine. Then I'm just curling my eyelashes a little bit. I'm getting ready to put the falsies on with my Duo Lash Glue. Girl, get you some of that. I like the clear kind. I don't like the black kind because if I'm not wearing eyeliner, it just like gets everywhere. So clear all the way. And I'm just highlighting my brow bone with this shimmery pink that is in the Morphe palette because I thought it was cute. And I'm priming my face with the e.l.f. primer. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation, girl. You know I love me some Fenty Beauty. A lot of people don't like it, but I have oily skin, so it works for me. Then I'm just taking my concealer again and putting it under my eyes, blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. You know, you know. Then I'm taking this Tarte translucent powder, which I just discovered. I love it, but I cannot bake with it. It gives me really bad flashback, so I just kind of like sweep it under my eyes. And then I'm going back in with that pink shade that I put into my crease under my eyes. And I'm putting white, that white liner in my waterline. And then I'm taking that NYX glue, the glitter glue again, because I'm going to be putting that same glitter underneath my lashes. And just a little bit of mascara on the tips. And a little bit of white in my inner corners to help bring out that blue. And then I'm taking this contour brush and I'm going in with the pink shade that I use on the crease. I told you I was using this palette for everything. We don't need nothing else. So I'm just taking that wherever I would put a bronzer or even like my contour, but we're gonna go back in with like a deeper purple. Yeah, see, there's a deep purple, and basically like contour with that, just deepen it up a little bit, because we cosmic fairies, you know, can be all colorful, cosmic-y. And then I'm just gonna take that like on my neck, just to bring the whole look together, my neck and my collarbones, basically same places I would contour. And for my nose, I'm taking my actual contour shades just because I want it to be a little bit more snatched, because like a cosmic fairy girl, like I need a little fairy nose. But then I am also going over it with the pink again. And then I'm just going up on my forehead, my double chins. And then I'm highlighting my cheekbones the same light pink that I used on my brow bones. Yes, girl, yes. If I had an actual pink highlight, I would have used that, but I do not. Mine is like more of a gold. I didn't want to use that for this look, so this worked. And then I'm taking my white eyeliner pencil again, and I'm just making little stars on my cheeks. I'm also using it for my lips, so in the center of my lips, just to make them look a little bit more like cuter, you know what I mean? And I took like the purple and like a nude color on the outside of my lips. And that's it. That was it. So that's the end of this video. Wow, I get so awkward on camera. Anyways, if the lighting changed during this video, I'm sorry. It's because my lighting sucks. And I'm using a window and like a little tiny little. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is my take on like a cosmic fairy. I didn't already say it. Am I closing the video like this? I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I put my hair down because it looks cuter like this. If I were to like actually wear it, I'd probably put it down and like curl it or something and like put some sparkles and purple, whatever. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. It's like simple, but it's cute for like a cosmic fairy look, I guess. Hope to see you guys. I'm ready for Halloween makeup. I love Halloween makeup. That's like, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay. Bye.